What's up, you guys? It's your girl Mama, and I'm coming to you today with another video. And today, as promised, you guys, we are going to be doing a demo and review of the Coco Eve Hair Mask. And if you guys watched in the unboxing video that I uploaded last week, you guys know that this was coming. So I want you guys to stop, pause the video first. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And do not forget to share this video, especially if you guys are natural. Because if you are natural, especially if you got 4C and your hair is like really thick and coarse and you just got that really tight curl pattern, y'all know how hard it is for us to find a conditioner. Y'all know this.
And we do it for the culture. And we do it for the naturals.
Alright, amigos. Alright, so you guys, this is my best friend Dominique,
hey
aka Nikki, and she is going to be in this video doing the demo and review, mainly because we are both naturals, as you guys can see, and we have two entirely different curl patterns. And so what her hair looks like when it's done, it take me 5-6 hours to do, and it took her 30 minutes in the shower.
It's true.
So
sorry,
you guys are going to get the most honest review today, literally, and maybe a little bit of laughs. But you guys, one of the main reasons I wanted to do this particular review is because if you guys have looked at Coco Eve's website and or the Sand and Sky website, if you guys pay attention to the reviews or pay attention to the videos that they've uploaded on those websites, those are the same YouTubers that are doing the reviews on YouTube. So are those reviews actually honest reviews,
or are they influenced by being sent products? Well, I guess you're gonna find out today, because this bad boy right here, was bought with honest money. So it's out-of-pocket money. So you're gonna get a out-of-pocket money honest review from not one but two, excuse the voice, but two people, two different textures. What more can you ask for?
It's not. So you guys, we are about to start our wash routines, and you guys will see us apply. And you guys will also see us, well, you're not going to see us rinse this out.
Well, not rinse it out, but a texture shot maybe.
And you guys see the review at the very end of the video. And you guys will know if this is trash, and you can stick to your $2 conditioner.
Or a yes. Trash or yes.
All right, y'all. We'll be back. Bye. Alright, you guys, we are back. So y'all, we got some things to say about this. Y'all, my hair is still shedding. Oh my god. Okay. So as you guys just saw, we both applied the conditioner, and we actually let the conditioner actually had been sitting in our hair for hours. It's now like 12 p.m. So it's been sitting there 12 a.m. Yeah, 12 a.m. Sorry, y'all. So it's literally have been sitting in our hair for hours. We both use the same shampoo, same conditioner as you guys saw, which is the Coco Eve. So this is my take on it. I have, if you guys see, my hair is very, very coarse. I have more of a wave pattern. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have more of a wave pattern than I do curls. But as you guys see, I have a lot of hair. So conditioner is something that is very vital for me and something that I have to have. And to really be honest, for me using drugs, literally like $2 conditioners, like Trassssssshh, Garnier, to me using design essentials and things like that for my particular hair, that will cost me no more than like $10-15 or $2 at the least. I would not spend my money on this. This is, to me, is not worth $50. Y'all, for me to literally have this sit in my hair for 2 hours and my hair is still shedding, my hair, it doesn't even feel soft. In my opinion, it's like, to me, it's not even worth the money. Like, of course I'm gonna use it because, I mean, I spent $50 on it, but will I repurchase that, or will I say, okay, that's something you need to go out and get? No, it's not worth the money in my opinion. I literally would have preferred to use my Trassssssshh and leave that in my hair for about an hour, and my hair literally feels like butter. It is not worth the money, and I'm probably going to have to do another deep conditioning treatment with something different, because actually, y'all, like, my hair is still just,
believe it or not, we just rinsed our hair out, and look at how dry and
like,
frizzy.
No.
No.
And look at my end, like, my ends still look horrible. Y'all can't even see my ends, but my ends still look bad. Like, no, this is not no $50 conditioner. It's not. No. But that's my take on it. And so, like, you guys see my hair texture and you see hers. So, Dominique, how do you feel about this?
I'm not a fan.
Coco Eve?
Definitely not a fan. Not a fan. Not a fan. As you cannot tell by my facial expressions from when she was giving her review, I'm not a fan either. The only thing that I can say is in the front, it just kind of made my heat damaged area look like it was more noticeable than what my hair looked like after I washed it. And this part is just sensitive. This literally comes from one pass of a flat iron, and this is from not having heat on it. So it made that part more noticeable, and it made my curl pattern look a lot looser than it normally does after I condition it or deep condition it. Don't really care for the smell. It smells like perfumey, and I can compare it to a deep conditioner that I bought at Dollar Tree one time just to try a product. It smells literally the exact same. So definitely not a fan of the scent. Definitely not a fan of how it makes my hair look or feel, because it's not noticeably softer. And I am very disappointed in it, because I hardly ever find products that don't work on my hair. I never have to really be picky on what I put in my hair, because literally everything that I try pretty much works on my hair. Like from Dollar Tree to Shea Moisture to whatever else, Design Essentials, everything. But that was a huge letdown. Very huge. Very huge. My hair doesn't look any more manageable than it was before I deep conditioned it. It's not any softer, so I don't know what them other YouTubers were reviewing, but it wasn't the same thing that we got right here in this jar. Sorry, it wasn't.
Alright, you guys, so that is our honest review. Like, literally, like, y'all, if y'all saw my unboxing of that, I got that the same particular day. So I got that last week. And I'm like disappointed on it, mainly because like I spent literally like over $50 on it, and that's like a lot of money for a conditioner. And especially if you're a person that you are natural, we wash our hair 2-3 times a week. So
Exactly.
especially if you got a person like me, like you see how much hair I got, like y'all, I went through, like, this is in the middle of the jar. That's how much I had to use. So this will last me like probably a month. And you gotta think, you talking about I gotta spend $50 on? No.
I will happily go to Walmart or any other drugstore and get the $5 Aussie Moist regular conditioner, put it on my hair, and let it sit for 30 minutes, and it moisturizes my hair better than this stuff. And that's like $5 at Walmart. So I wouldn't waste my money on that again.
Save your coin.
Please. It's not an investment. It's legit.
It is. Alright, you guys. So that is the end of this particular video. If you guys have any questions or anything, make sure you leave them down in the description box. And the people who have my Instagram, you can DM me there. Make sure you guys like, comment, and share this video, especially if you got somebody who are interested in buying this, because this is a no-go. No-go. Like she said, I don't know what in the world. You know what? I do know what they were reviewing. They were reviewing them dollar signs.
Exactly.
That's what they were reviewing.
They were reviewing a fake review. Like we said, it was influenced by free products. Yeah. Because when you spend your money on it and you actually try it out for real, and not just getting influenced by a company, your perspective on products will change, sweetheart. They will change.
Yeah, so y'all, we about to head out because we right up on the event. This flight got heat coming out. My hair drying out.
Well, I don't really got that problem. All I gotta do is put a leave-in conditioner on there and slick it back into a bun, and I'm good for the rest of the week.
Alright, y'all, so I love you guys for all my subscribers. And this one right here will actually be starting her YouTube channel soon. So we will be actually putting her information in my description box as soon as she gets her first video uploaded, which will be in a month. She doesn't have a choice. But
well, we could put my information down there because my page is up already. I just don't have any videos on there.
They can't see.
How?
See?
God don't like ugly.
Exactly. Bye, guys.